Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove and replace main cleaning brush on iRobot Roomba i4. And to do this we'll need to put our robot upside down just like that. Then there's this green button right here and we need to press on it and then simply open this hatch. Now you can take each of the brushes and remove them just like that. And now to place them back in, we'll need to basically do the same thing but in reverse. So starting with this one, we need to align it to the left so that it will fit to the right. Okay, just like that. And then this one. Just like that. Now close this hatch and push on it until you hear the click and our brushes are replaced. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.